Hey guys, what's up guys? We are back today to talk about position sizing. So a lot of you guys actually are capable of being great traders, but I noticed that a lot of people, even the ones that shadow other traders, one reason that they constantly fail is because of bad position sizing. Let's just say you follow a trader that is continuously making successful gains and 30, 40, 50 or 100% gains, and you find yourself losing all the time. Let me tell you why. It's because position sizing. When you follow someone on a trade, like today I took Tesla, we made great money on it, and some people in my server made some great money on it too. However, there will still be people that blow up their accounts. Why is that? Because of bad position sizing. You must understand that not everybody has the same amount of money in their bank accounts. You don't know how much I am putting on the trade relative to my whole portfolio. So you might be following somebody on a trade and they're great traders, but every time they take a bad trade, you tend to also put in 80% or 50% of your portfolio, and then you tend to lose. So someone could have a 90% win rate, and then still you could blow your account because they know how to size position size correctly while you don't. So how do you? Well, first of all, I don't recommend anybody follow trades blindly, and I also am against just subscribing to people to follow their trades blindly following them, because the main point of following trades, and I say this to my group all the time, is not for you to make money necessarily. Obviously it would be great if you guys make money, but the main purpose of a trade is for you to learn. If you're shadowing someone and you're paying for their alert services, is for you to learn how they and why they initiate a trade. Your main purpose in that group is not to make money, but to learn how to be independent for yourself. It's always about you. And if you're not learning anything and you're just shadowing trades, I guarantee you that you're going to blow your account, even if you make some great trades. And a lot of the time, people are making 100, 150, 200, 1000% winners, but they lose it the next week. And that's because they put the same positions that they made. So let's say they have a $5,000 account, they grew it to 50 grand, and then they just put the same 50 grand thinking that it will be a winning trade, and just one loser, they're done for the rest of the freaking week or even for their lifetime, because a lot of people tend to give up right away. It is not about how much you make, it's about position sizing and understanding that you take whatever profits you have, secure your profits, and then using the profits to make more profits, or at least having a specific game plan after you succeed on your first trade. So every time I take a trade and I win, I always size down. Especially if I have a goal to hit every single week. I do not put more money into a trade, especially if I don't know where the market's gonna go. So like today we took Tesla. Today I took Tesla. Obviously it was a great play. We played Tesla and SPY. As you can see here, 44%. I also took some lottos on my own that paid up to 150% of the group. And then we took some SPY calls, which paid as well. And then now we're in Airbnb. So as you can see here, as a small position, as market is still indecisive, and we can go lower. So I made close to 1,500 on Tesla today. I will not put more than that into another trade because I literally went from deep red to green. And for me to be a successful trader is knowing when to stop, knowing when to put more into a trade, and knowing when to put less. The fact that I don't know where the market is going to go, I'm not going to put a lot of money into a trade because I don't know where it's going to go. And if I don't know, then it's an extremely risky play. And we know that the market currently doesn't know where it wants to go. We're still trading range bound, and I'm not sure exactly if we are going to make a new high. And when you're taking trades from, especially if you're shadowing someone, you don't know how much cash they have on hand to be taking on new positions. So although you might, let's say the analyst alerts 5 trades per day, and they put $5,000 on the market, you might only have $2,000. And how are you going to take all the positions that the analyst takes that brought him from red to green and you to take it from red to green if you don't have enough money to play every single position that he's in, and how much is he putting in that specific position versus what he put into another position. So let's say this trade is up 20%, but this trade lost 40%. Maybe the analyst is still up because he put a higher position in that 20% winner than he did with the 40% loss. So it's a lot of factors, and it's so hard to alert with specifics, because even if you say a large position, what is a large position to you? Or you say 8 contracts, what is 8 contracts to you versus 8 contracts to Dumb? Is it your whole portfolio? Is it half, etc.? It's a very, very hard thing to do. So your main goal is not to just make money, but to learn how to position sizing. And that's where a lot of people tend to fail, because they don't know where the trade is going to go, and they don't know how to position size. They don't know how to take profits. And today I told my group, taking profits is just taking profits. Oh wait, no, I think targets. Target. Price targets are great until they fuck you in the ass, like I said, over here. Like I said, it's only great until it fucks you in the ass, because you can have a great trade. Like today, I took Tesla, and my target for Tesla was this 634 area. It was about to hit it, and I was up 150% on my contracts. I took that and I ran, because why would I hold a contract that's up 150% and I don't know where exactly, Tesla's gonna go? Would it hit it? It could, but why would I keep it on the market? You should scale out, scale out, scale out, and you should always be ready to move on to another trade. Especially, the reason I got out was also because the market hit demand right here. So I was like, there's no way I'm gonna hold this position. So analyzing the whole market as a whole is very, very important as well. And again, take profits, take profits. You'd rather be safe than sorry, and you'd rather be able to take another trade than to completely blow your account. Just wanted to go over that. Make sure you guys are trading with the right team. Come join us. A lot of the stuff we post out is free. Today we took Tesla shorts for free. We posted Bond before for free. So if you want, check us out. Links are in the description below. Smash the like button, subscribe to our channel. Let us know what you want to learn, and I'll try to make a video. And that's about it. Have a great day, guys. Thank you.